Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I know I don't normally have a video up on the weekend, but I wanted to give you a little sneaky peeky at what's coming up to my channel next week. I have beat my brains out to get this series up for you guys that I've created, and I really want to kind of let you know ahead of time that it's coming so you can make sure that you're subscribed, make sure your notification bell is turned on, and so you can get excited about it with me because I'm really excited. So next week, every day next week, I'm going to be having a how I teach video. So I'm going to have how I teach spelling, how I teach math, how I teach science, how I teach handwriting, and how I'm teaching language arts in high school. All of those videos for you guys because our homeschool year is coming to a close. It's winding down. The end of April is our last week of homeschool for this school year, and I really wanted to take some time to share with you guys what we're using, what we're loving for those certain subjects before this school year ends. And then of course over the summer I'll do my curriculum choices video and everything for next school year, but before this year was over I really wanted to share it with you guys. So if you're curious about what we're using for spelling, which it has changed a little bit, what we're using for handwriting, which is something new we've added back in the last little bit. So just some things I want to share with you guys to kind of give you ideas of how you can teach those subjects in your own homeschool. I hope it's helpful. I'm really excited about it. I've worked really hard on this, so I hope that you guys will watch and you'll enjoy it and you'll learn from it and you'll get inspired and some ideas about teaching those subjects in your own homeschool. That being said, I also want to let you guys know that it's possible I may be dropping down to 2 videos for about a month instead of 3. I've never committed to a certain amount of videos. I've never committed to a certain day that I upload, even though I do typically upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday. This series has taken a lot out of me because it is coming right at the end of our homeschool year, so that's kind of crazy busy. We're planning our trip to Disney in May, so that's crazy busy. Like all this stuff's been going on and it's been really hard to get up 3 videos every week. So I don't know yet for sure if I'm gonna drop down to 2. I'm just saying if you only see 2 from me for a little while, that's why. I'll get 3 up if possible. It may even be sometimes there's only 1. It really just depends on how hectic things get around here. And I'll probably try to post on my Instagram or my YouTube community tab. If I'm gonna not have a video, I'll try to remember to post so that you guys know not to be disappointed. But just to let you know, things are getting kind of crazy around here and it's getting kind of hard to keep up with homeschooling, YouTube, vacation stuff, and just life in general. So hopefully you understand and you'll enjoy and watch the videos I do put up, and then when things calm down a little bit, I will try to get back to my regular, like predictable sort of schedule. I don't want to say schedule because I don't ever say, but you know what I mean. So I really hope you're excited for this series. I'm really excited for this series, and make sure you're on my channel on Monday at 7 a.m. Eastern time, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I will have those videos up all about the different subjects and how we teach them. I really hope you enjoy it. So I will see you on Monday morning at 7 a.m. Eastern time. Bye.